Super Glue White Porcelain Repair will cover chips and scratches on white appliances, bathtubs, sinks, fixtures, and tile. It's water resistant, crack resistant, and heat resistant to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Clean and dry the surface you're repairing. An artist's fine tip brush is a good tool for small scratches and chips. It allows you to control the application of the coating. Apply multiple coats for deep repairs, allowing each coat to dry overnight. You can use acetone to remove any excess on the surface. It'll dry in about 10 minutes and it cures in 24 hours.